Hey guys, this is Nick from forexnoobs.com with the midday analysis. Today is Thursday, the 1st of September 2016, and the time is 1:12 here in the UK. You're looking at a USD CAD daily chart. In today's analysis, we're going to be looking at the pairs to the right here, and we're going to be looking at each time frame for those pairs. The reason I do this is to scan for price action reversal setups. If I look at each pair and each and every time frame for those pairs, it ensures that I'm able to find any setups that are forming. We're going to start with looking at USD CAD. So what's going on with USD CAD? We talked about USD CAD yesterday. I said I was potentially looking for a daily setup here. That daily setup is definitely still a possibility, although it does look like it might not happen. It looks like buyers are taking control of price and they're pushing up. They could very well make a break this high here. But if they don't break that high, so if they don't break the high of the previous candle, and if this candle kind of starts falling back down and pushing lower, I am probably going to take a short trade here. So the trade would go something like this, roughly. Yeah, you still got potential for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but I'd probably have my target. That's actually a tough one. I'd want my target up here because of the minor support resistance there. We can see recently price pushed down and then bounced away from here. So that's kind of like a problem area. I'd want to have my target here, but that would give me a pretty bad risk to reward ratio. That does affect this trade somewhat. I might still be open to taking it. I'm going to keep a close eye on it. If I do take it, I will update on the blog and I'll let you guys know that I've entered. But to be completely honest, it does look like buyers are taking control of price right now, and it does look like they're probably going to keep pushing up. So I'm not, I'm not really thinking this is going to trigger anyway. But if it does, I'll let you guys know on the blog if I do enter it. Okay, Euro USD, let's check out Euro USD. We were looking at a potential trade here yesterday. The trade didn't end up triggering. Price pushed a bit lower. When we were looking at it yesterday, this candle hadn't pushed down to here yet. But since then, let's delete this. Since then, this candle made a new low, so I kind of cancelled that setup. I didn't end up entering. Yeah, there's still potential here to enter, but I don't know. I don't like that new low it made, and yeah, at this point it's a bit late to get in at this point. Yeah, never mind. So nothing much really going on Euro USD. Right, GBP AUD, what's that doing? It's heading into a resistance area. Let's have a look at it on a higher time frame. Alright, so GBP AUD on the daily is heading straight into resistance. Pretty strong resistance area it's heading into. Pretty strong uptrend it's in, so that's not the best of signs. There is some signs of it stalling. Probably not going to get anything here until tomorrow or a lot later today, so there's not much point looking at it. Let's see what Euro AUD is up to. Kind of stuck in between two support resistance areas. Euro GBP, I mean. Not much potential here. AUD USD stuck between two support resistance areas. Yeah, nothing much going on there. USD JPY heading up to a resistance area, but It hasn't hit it yet, so. Euro AUD. Doesn't look like much is going on today. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm going to be adding a new section to the forum for continuation trading. Now, I know continuation trading hasn't really been discussed in the Forex Mastermind course. And I am probably going to be putting some videos up on it. But someone, a member, suggested that I put up a continuation section and people could share their trade ideas, continuation trade ideas, in that section. And from there, then we could use those ideas to trade price action continuations, or to figure out a good strategy for trading price action continuations, or at least good rules. So yeah, I thought that would be a good idea. I'll put all my findings in there after I update the course and add continuation trading. The way I'm testing it at the moment. There's nothing really forming today. All right, it's a pretty slow midday. Pretty slow for this time of day. That doesn't mean that we're not going to see, we still have USD CHF to look at, but that doesn't mean we're not going to see any setups today. It just means right now it's pretty slow. We might see something later in the day, this evening maybe. But right now there's not much in the way of reversal setups. USD CAD, has some potential, but like I said, it looks like it's headed up. It looks like buyers are in control, so I wouldn't hold my breath with this one. Yeah, Euro USD, not really much potential here. Not right now, anyway. GBP AUD is heading to resistance. These are the ones I'm going to be looking out for today. Stuff like GBP AUD, the pairs that are getting very close to major resistance areas. Those are the ones I want to watch closely today, because we could very well get indecision forming in the next 8 hours here. Like the next 8 hour candle possibly could form a decision. So sometime late this evening or even early tomorrow morning, we might see setups forming on these pairs. But to be fair, there's not really that much going on right now. Anyone take this GBP USD long, by the way? I skipped it because the risk reward ratio didn't seem too good to me. But definitely looks like I shouldn't have skipped it. Yeah, news can also cause movements that end up being good for us. You'll often find that news pushes price into support resistance areas. So news will push it into a support resistance area, then it'll stall there, and then we can trade the reversal from that. So, that's always a possibility. Slow right now. We just need something to move the market, either the gradual moves it's going to have over the next 6 to 8 hours, or some big news spikes would be nice. But This is a good example of a continuation trade. This is the kind of stuff I want to start talking about in the forum. I want to have I have like a few ideas for trading continuations. But, the great thing about the forum, why I think the forum is such a good tool and so powerful, is that we can discuss these topics in detail and we could all put forward ideas and solutions. And that gives us a lot more to work with. If I'm the only one coming up with ideas for trading continuations, they might be good ideas, they might be bad ideas. Maybe I think they're going to be good ideas. I think I have enough experience to come up with good price action ideas for trading continuations. But let's say theoretically, if we have 1,000 minds working on something, it's going to be a lot better than a single mind. And there's a lot of really good traders in the forum, so I'm sure we can come up with some awesome ideas for trading continuations. So I'll be adding that section sometime soon, probably while I'm on holiday. I'll be adding that section. Yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up for the analysis. There's not much going on, guys. Just keep a close eye on USD CAD in case it stalls. If it does, and it doesn't keep pushing up like it is right now, there could be potential for a reversal trade there. Other than that, guys, I think I'm going to call an end to this analysis. So thank you guys for attending, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up below. If you have any questions regarding this video, then leave a comment below and I'll respond to it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified as soon as I upload my videos. My Facebook and Twitter are in the description below. Thanks again for watching and happy trading.